And I look absolutely ridiculous drinking from this, so I'm gonna do that one more time just because it's ridiculous. Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Lynn's Libations. Today, I'm super excited to bring you all back to the Poly. Today I'm going to be showing you a non-alcoholic drink and an alcoholic drink, a fan fave that I think you might know, POG and the Backscratcher from Tambu Lounge. So, let's get started because POG is a part of the Backscratcher, which wouldn't be complete without one of these bad boys. It has been washed and sanitized because my kids are gross and they used it. So, moving on. Let's get started. So we're going to start with equal parts of orange juice, passion fruit juice, and guava nectar. So we're going to do 8 ounces of each, which is a cup. And I think this awesome cup here has measurements on it. So we're going to go 8 ounces of the OJ, and we will do 8 ounces of passion fruit juice. There we go. Making a mess, just like I do. And then I'm gonna shake this a little bit. I don't think it's, nope, it's not carbonated. We're good. And that brings us up to 24 ounces of good POG yumminess. I'm just gonna mix it back and forth a little bit. No need to shake this gem, just mix. So now we have our POG. For you non-alcoholic drinkers out there, you're done. That's it. That's as far as you need to go. POG goodness. Which I don't know if it's just me or because I'm a 90s kid, but whenever I hear the word POG, it's weird. It's a weird word, and it reminds me of slammers and cardboard discs, and it was a game that we played that made absolutely no sense, but you needed to have the best slammer to win. It's true. But I'm glad they named it POG because gob would be gross and no one would drink it. So, cheers to my non-alcoholics. Very refreshing. Very refreshing, even though I got some pulp on my lip. Moving on to our next drink, the big show, the Backscratcher. We are gonna do this a little bit modified. The recipe had called for a ½ ounce of each of these, which this is actually Bacardi. It's not Myers, you don't see this label, but you know, I'm sticking with the brand, so my branding is good. Bacardi Superior, the white rum. This is basically the same thing. It's what I had on hand. I got it on sale, so this is what's gonna work. If you have Bacardi, I suggest you use that. If not, any white rum really works. It's the same. So we are gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of white rum, or a little less than 3/4 because I splashed it everywhere. And then we are gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of Myers dark rum. Go. And then we are going to top it with our POG juice, but we need to leave room for our Backscratcher and for our Jack Daniel's floater. So we're gonna stop right about there. I would say that's probably about 5 ounces of juice. We will insert our Backscratcher so, which kind of serves as a mixing device, which you can see this is not a classic Tambu Lounge Backscratcher. This is an Amazon Backscratcher, but if you're in a pinch and you need it for authenticity, Amazon has them available. We are just gonna add a little topper, probably about a ½ ounce of Jack Daniel's, and just stick that bad boy right in there And because I have them and I need an excuse to use them, I'm going to add an umbrella because umbrellas make all drinks better. And I forgot to grab a straw, so I'm going to figure out how to taste this without getting hit in the face with a Backscratcher. Fail. But the drink is delicious. I really like this. I have not actually had it at Tambu Lounge, but I feel like if I put on a flower lei and sat outside in the Florida heat, I would feel transported. Like I was right there. Back at Disney, back at Tambu Lounge, at the Polynesian, one of my favorite places on Disney property, and I look absolutely ridiculous drinking from this, so we'll do that one more time, just because it's ridiculous. But, so let me know, have you guys had the Backscratcher from Tambu Lounge? Did you like it? Have you tried my recipe? How did it work out for you? Did you enjoy it? And what other drink recipes would you like to see me recreate for you guys on the Lynn's Libation segment of my channel? I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it, and I look forward to the next video. Hope you guys are happy, healthy, and safe, and we'll see you really soon. Remember, every day is a countdown to Disney.